There are many specific laws that revolve around owning a business. As a business owner, you must understand basic business law. Now, when you're first starting a business, it all starts with first establishing your business name, which you're going to do through your Secretary of State. When you're establishing your name, it's either going to be in the form of a DBA, an LLC, or an incorporation. A DBA is doing business as and does not really protect the legal owner like an LLC or corporation does. An LLC is a limited liability company, versus a corporation is again very similar to an LLC, but it's taxed a bit differently. Now, when you're actually filing the paperwork with your Secretary of State, you're also going to establish if the business is some type of sole proprietorship in which there's one owner, or a partnership in which there's two or more owners, or again, some type of corporation where there are multiple owners. Again, you're going to file all of this paperwork through the Secretary of State, and depending on which state you're filing it through, it's going to be between $50 to $150. Now, once you've actually gotten your business name, you want to file and get your tax ID, also known as an EIN number. Your EIN number is essentially the business's social security number. You get to this through the irs.gov website, and it's 100% free and immediately generated for you. Once you've gotten your tax ID, then you actually want to go and start getting any other licenses that you might need, particularly some type of vendor's license. And if you're going to be serving food, you're going to have all types of licenses you're going to have to be looking into. Now, again, this can all be kind of intimidating when you're first starting your business, so a good way to start understanding business law is to meet with a local small business lawyer and find a local CPA, a certified public accountant. These two type of people are going to really help answer any questions that you have and get the business legally started very smoothly. If you try doing it all by yourself, you can make costly mistakes that essentially the IRS or somebody else in the government is going to punish you for. Once you have a well-established business, you can then start looking into legal protections. They can be either trademarks, copyright, or patents. Now, a trademark is essentially when you have a logo or some type of artwork or design that you want to then trademark so that nobody can copy it. By not allowing them to copy it and essentially then steal from your profits or distort your brand, you're really protecting yourself. For example, Nike. Nike has trademarked their swoosh. You cannot essentially just put a swoosh on any product you want without Nike being really upset because they have claimed ownership of that artwork. Next, you have copyright. Copyright is really any type of original content that should be protected. Now, the content could be something written, it could be a song, it could be a video, but again, it's some type of unique content that is owned by somebody and they have the exclusive rights to it. Lastly, you have patents. Now, when somebody patents something, it could be a new type of product, it could be a type of process. The idea is it has some type of value in that whoever invented it should be rewarded for any continuous use of that patent. Now, if you are offering products, which could be, again, goods or services, you often extend some type of warranty to your customers. There are all types of warranties. You have partial, you have full, you have limited. There's, again, all types, and they are should be written strategically to make sure that the business is covering itself and that they're not taking on too much liability if a product, again, not necessarily is defective, but could actually be refunded through the actual warranty. Now, if a product is defective, the business is liable, and you could potentially even have to conduct a product recall, which is not only a nightmare because of the logistics, but it's so expensive, it could potentially put your business out of business. So again, be careful as far as putting together your warranties, and don't put out any defective products that you potentially could have to recall, because from a legal standpoint, it could put you out of business. If you have any questions regarding business law, please do not hesitate contacting us. Thank you.